Hi, and welcome to a Penn Publishing Interactive account management tutorial. In this video, we will be covering how to reset your Penn Publishing Interactive account password. First, you will need to open a web browser and go to pennpublishing.com, and you will arrive on a screen that looks like this. Now, you will see a menu bar at the top. We are looking for the Account tab, which is on the far right, and then go to the drop down for Reset Password. Go ahead and click on this, and it's going to open up to a new tab here. I'm going to go ahead and type in my email. Since I've already done this before, I have my email filled out already. And once I've done that, I'm going to click Submit. And now what this is going to do is send an email to reset your password to the email you typed in. So go ahead and open up your email. I've already gone ahead and done this, and you will see now that I have received an email from support@pennpublishing.com. And then here it should have your name as well as a link you can click on to reset your password. So go ahead and click on this, and it's going to open up a new window, and it'll look like this. You have two password fields to fill out, so go ahead and type in a password that you would like to use. And keep in mind to use both upper and lowercase characters, as well as include at least one symbol. And once you've done that, you will see the password strength bar fills up to green, and assuming you've typed in the password again the same, it will indicate your confirmed password is green. Go ahead and click Save Changes once you're done. And that will have successfully reset your password as well as logged you into the Penn Publishing Interactive control panel. Now you will see we are at the dashboard for the control panel. As always, if you have questions about services we provide, you can visit us at pennpublishing.com, or you can visit our Facebook and Twitter page. Feel free to leave a like. And lastly, if you are watching this on YouTube, feel free to subscribe for future videos and tutorials. Until next time.